friends. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you're all having a great day. Today I wanted to do a quick clothing jewelry haul for you. I'm not going to be trying things on. I just wanted to get this video out because I purchased these things and I didn't want them to sell out if some of you like them. And one item in particular I think is just really cute. Actually, when I was at the counter buying it, I had a couple of women say, "Where did you get that?" And I said, "Oh, they're right back there on the wall." And they all went over and were looking at them. I don't know if they bought them, but they were really interested in it. So that will come a little bit later. Okay, but anyway, so the first sweater I got at the loft, and I really thought it was really cute. It'll look great with something else that I bought here. But I liked it because it covers the butt. And for me, the butt must be covered if I'm going to wear leggings. That's just how I roll, my friends. You want to wear your leggings with the short top, you go right ahead. But for me, the junk needs to be covered, okay, for me. But anyway, this is a leopard top, and I love leopard print, but I don't always like every style of leopard print. And I just thought this was really a nice sweater, and I like that it has a little bit puffier sleeve, and it comes down, like I said, to cover the butt, and it's a little bit loose. It's a boxier sweater. But I really liked it, so I went ahead and got it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I did put it on. It's not scratchy or itchy. I probably am going to wear it in my next video. But anyway, I really did like it. It has just a great color combination, and I think it would go really well with leggings. And so yeah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So that is my loft sweater, and this was $69.50, but you know, it is the holiday time now, so always watch for some sales because they're going to be coming soon. So I thought, I was watching Lisa Z09, and I will put a link to her channel below. And Lisa is about, I'm going to say Lisa's in her mid-40s, maybe her early 40s. I don't mean to insult. I really don't know how old she is, but I know she's not a spring chicken. She's not 20 years old. And she's a woman of normal size, okay? So I think she really might appeal to a lot of women. And I was watching, she was doing it was a fashion video, and I actually had purchased these during the Nordstrom sale a while ago, and I returned them and thought, who do I think I am? But after watching her video, I thought, you know, I'm going to get them again. And those are the Spanx faux leather leggings, and I'll link her particular video so you can see all the different ways she styled them. I'm sorry I didn't have these out of the package before I started the video, but you know, I just got them and was excited they came before I left for Florida so I could show them. And let me just try to get them out of the bag now. We're live, friends, we're live. Okay, so I did order them again, and this time I ordered one medium and one large, because she was talking about how when she really wants to be sucked in, like on date night, she will wear the medium, and then if she's just running around every day, she will wear the large. And she's more my size than the, you know, size 0 and the 2. I wear an 8. I'm a true 8. If something's made really small, I do have to go into the 10, and sometimes I can still squeeze my behind into a 6, but for most part, I am a size 8. So this is the medium, and they just look really nice on. Now, she has all the different styles. They are on the pricier side, but you know, with the holidays coming up, I would definitely keep my eye out on these. So I just think these looked really nice in her video, so I got them again, and I also ordered them in a large. So, you know, don't rule yourself out when it comes to certain fashion. Well, if you like something, you like it, and you should be able to wear it. But, you know, I'm not always comfortable in the legging department because I have larger thighs. Now, Lisa said, you make yourself sound enormous, and you're not. But anyway, I do have larger thighs, so it's very important that I have things that cover. So I went ahead and got those, and perhaps when I have them on, I will go ahead and show you. So now I just wanted to touch base. I stop into my TJ Maxx and Marshall. I try to stop in there a couple times a month, but if I could get there weekly, I would, because a lot of things come in and they're gone like that. You know, I always watch the commercials on TV with TJ Maxx, and I sit there and I go, no, that's a lie, that's never in the store, that's a lie, that's never in the store. And then I found out there are certain TJ Maxx in big cities that do get all that stuff, because I see people post, you know, Jimmy Choo shoes. Well, you never see those in mine. but they do get some nice costume jewelry. So I wanted to share with you that now is the time to really go into your TJ Maxx and look at their jewelry department, because they get really, really pretty earrings. Now this pair is by Zay Zay Jewelers, and I thought they were just beautiful. They're actually a brown stone, and they're just trimmed in a gold. I just thought they were beautiful, and these were only $19.99. I just think they are absolutely gorgeous, and brown is my color. I just love it. And then the other color that I got in that same earring is this beautiful, beautiful green. Look at that. Is that not exquisite? I thought they were absolutely beautiful for $19. You just can't go wrong. So then I picked up a couple of other earrings there too, and I just thought I would go ahead and share. Now you may have a difficult time. This is not something I can link below for you, but I still thought I'm going to share these because you never know. Now this pair here was $14.99, and they're by a brand called Every, and they are really, they're just really pretty. They're a hoop. Well, not a hoop, they're a half hoop. Okay, so this is what they look like, a half hoop, and then they have an acrylic front, but the base of them is gold, so the gold shows through on the acrylic. I just thought they were really interesting looking. So I went ahead, when you're looking at the acrylic, I don't know how it'll show up on camera, but when you're looking at the acrylic through it, you see gold acrylic. It is, I think they're just really, really pretty. And these were $14.99. So I went ahead and got that. You know, and if you're buying gifts for people, they will give you a beautiful box at TJ Maxx to put your earrings in for people. And don't. Now, see, I think these are great gifts for people too, especially the woman that really loves costume jewelry. Okay, so the next pair, you know, I saw these and I went back and I said, I know they're going to be gone, but I went back. These are, to me, divine. Now, these were $24.99, but look at these. For the holidays, look at those beautiful earrings. I just love, 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 love these. And for me, I need a larger earring. And they're not heavy, my friends. They're not heavy. But I need a larger earring because I have so much hair. And even if I'm wearing my hair up, I just think these are so divine. Just beautiful. And for they were $25. But for me, just worth every single penny of it. Beautiful. Love them. So that is... And that brand is the Zay Zay Jewelry brand. And then I picked up another pair. And these were just really interesting to me. And these may be a gift for someone, but they were just really interesting. And they're $19.99. And this is the Luna North Company. And if you look at it, it's just a piece of crystal that hangs. Let me put them by the black and then you'll see. They're just a piece of crystal that hangs from a gold hoop style. Aren't they beautiful? I just love them. That may end up with me. I don't know. I don't know. You know, that's the thing. I go in there and I'm like, ooh, I'll get that for so-and-so. Ooh, I'll get that for so-and-so. And then it's like, ooh, I really meant me. So now in this one, I have two other pairs. And I just thought these were beautiful too. They're very similar. They're by that Zay Zay brand. And these were $19.99, but they're just a different shape. And the color is a beautiful, beautiful teal. Look at those. Are they not beautiful, my friends? I just think they're gorgeous. And this pair here, really, it's such a unique color combination. And they're by Zay Zay, and they were $19.99. But the top stone is an olive green, and then the one that hangs is a pretty yellow. So look at those. Aren't they just divine? Let me put them in the black so you can see them. I just think they are spectacular. Just so beautiful. I mean, look at those. I just think they're beautiful. So my friends, make sure you visit your local TJ Maxx for just some fun costume jewelry, all right? So that is that. So now, here is the thing that I was standing in the aisle and everyone was like, where did you get that? Where did you get that? And I have been looking for a leopard style jacket, but I did not want the brown and black combination. I just wanted something else. And it had to be long enough because I don't look good in waist length jackets. I need to have a longer jacket. or I need to have a shirt hanging out because that's just the way I look better for my body. So I saw this and I just thought, this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and it's faux fur. It's cruelty-free, and it is by Jones of New York, and I did get the medium. It was $159.50, but I think there is a percentage off right now. And also through the holidays, there will be more. I will try to find this and link it below for you. I just love it. It's very simple. It has a pocket. It has like a little detail on the wrist part, and it's a boxy, loose-fitting jacket, but I just loved it, and I think this will be fabulous with the leggings that I just showed you by Spanx, and a pair of ankle boots, heels, or black jeans, whatever you want, and just, I would wear simply black under this, and I might wear a long silver chain with this. But I loved it, my friends, loved it. The collar can come up if you like, or you can wear it down. It's very soft and cuddly, just beautiful. Nothing itches about this jacket. That's really important to me, because when you're going through menopause and you have an attack and then you have something itchy on you, oh, it's even worse, even worse. So then I decided, I bought this dress, and I bought this in a medium, and this is by Eileen Fisher, and this dress is on sale. It was on sale for $100. And it was normally $170. It was on sale for $100, and it's a very simple dress, but I thought it would look really great with this coat over it and some opaque tights with some ankle booties. It's just a basic dress. It's flowy, it's not tight. It just has a short sleeve. It comes up, but it's not one that chokes you around the neck. It just has a slight drape to it. And it's more of a swing style dress than it is anything else. And then the bottom of it, the back goes a little bit longer than the front, so it does drop down a little bit lower. You could wear this with, you know, higher boots that come just below the knee, and this jacket. Any way you wanted to wear it, beautiful. It would be beautiful with long strands of pearls and opaque tights with just ankle booties. I would wear it that way. I love a bunch of strands of pearls up against a black dress. It's not really showing up beautifully because my background is black, so let me just show you this. And it's just a really nice dress. Now, Eileen Fisher dresses are clothing. It's more expensive. I never buy it unless it's on sale, and then I get a discount on it, or if I have a coupon. I don't feel that her clothing is really worth what they ask. I think it's overpriced for what you get, but I will say, every Eileen Fisher piece that I own, and I'm not into her pants, but I do like her sweaters, her dresses, her sweater coats. I buy on sale, and I also have her jean jacket. But and if she makes regular pants with a regular waistband, I don't like stretch waist pants bands. I just don't like them. But anyway, everything washes well, dry cleans well, holds up for years, and I always make sure that I buy a basic style of something so that I can wear it for years. So you might want to take a look at that to go with that lovely leopard jacket. And then this was from Nick and Zoe, and I'm not sure about this one, but I do like the Nick and Zoe line. My body wears it well. This is a size medium. Sometimes in Nick and Zoe I can wear the small, sometimes the medium's too tight. So for this top, I will say that it runs true to size medium. It has a loose flow to it, which I like. I'm not one to wear fitted clothing a lot. I prefer loose flowing, especially since my pants are usually fitted, although some would disagree with that. Anyway, this is a multitude of gray tones, and it does have a sheen to it. It's made from a different fabric. Let me see if I can see what the fabric is on this. It's not your usual. It's 100% polyester. It's not your usual sweater feel. It has a slip to it. It has a slight sheen to it, so if you wanted to wear it for more of a dressier, like holiday party, you could if you wanted, if you're not into bling bling. The sleeves are a little bit on the bell side. They're not totally bell. My battery's dying, and this is the last piece of my haul. So, and these were all from Lord & Taylor, the items I'm showing you, except for the spandex, the Spanx. Those are from Nordstrom, but this top was normally $148, but it was on sale. I think it was 40% off the original. So keep your eye out if you like those things. Of course, I will list and link everything below, and for now, that is my haul. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends lovable. I love you all. Bisous.